When it comes to working on your lighting projects, the first thing you want to do is turn off the power to the unit. The next thing you want to do is to remove the light bulbs from the unit. In this case, we have a vanity that doubles as a cabinet as well as the light fixture. I couldn't wait to get rid of this old thing. It was something that we purchased when we bought the house, but nevertheless, it's time to remove the old fixture, the screws, and then we're going to remove this old thing from the wall. Yep, had a little help here. What you'll see next that's left is to disconnect the wiring from the cabinet. Pretty easy. This is what it looks like when it's all done. I noticed quickly though that the new light fixture where I needed to place it needed to be to the right of the existing place. So I grabbed my saw and started cutting a hole in a new location for where I'm going to house the new bracket for the new unit. Just used a saw, cut the hole. Had to go to the store to get a new box because this was not a part of the plans originally, but I found a new electrical box right here at the supply store. Before I installed it, I had to reroute the wiring from the left to the right side of the stud. And now it's time to install the electrical box. Pretty simple, easy. That's the bracket for the new light fixture. Before installing it, I had to unscrew the screws on the new electrical bracket. And once I did that, I just basically put it in place and installed it. But I still had to get rid of the old hole. So I used some Drydex wall repair patch kit. This was pretty simple to apply. I had limited amount of dry time, and before you know it, it was done. Before moving on to install the light fixture, I used my voltage tester to make sure that everything was still safe. I had my helper to help me to attach the fixture back to the wall. Then I went back out to turn on the power to make sure that everything was wired properly and everything was working. Success. Now that I'm sure that everything is working properly, it's time to install the light shades along with the light bulbs. This was a very satisfying project.